Start.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Itashi Somaya from JBCN International School.
And I'm Janais Rani.
It's a great pleasure to have you all on this fabulous evening. Today, we have gathered here for a fabulous stargazing session at the JBCN International School. And here, we are going to experience the vast universe today with many planets and stars. And I hope you all are excited for this event.
I'm really thrilled to be here and look at the universe from just a tiny telescope. I'm really excited to ask you all how you feel.
So let's hear from some set of our students how they feel for being here. So who would like to speak? Are you excited for this event, Vahan?
Yes, I'm very excited. It's the first time I'm getting to use a high-powered satellite.
Very good.
What planets are you expecting to see today, Dharya?
Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars.
Okay, I'm not biased to gender, so a girl. Okay. So, is it your first time?
Yes.
That's
Okay, so this was our learners who are pretty excited for this event. Thank you. Let's begin with the event.
So, Abhishek sir, is the Venus visible from the telescope today?
Yeah, so
Right
whatever
now.
will be visible now, we'll show you.
Okay, so let's begin. We are going to first see Venus. Thank you.
Okay, learners, am I audible? Okay, here everyone is fine. Okay, so tune with me. So today we are going to begin our session, the live telescope session. So here this session is divided into three parts. In first part, I'll explain about telescopes and how does it work, its construction, etc. In second part, we'll observe few things. Whatever is visible, we'll show you. And in third part, we'll just discuss about constellations, colors of stars, and few other important things. Is that okay? Okay, so let us switch off the light. Geeta ma'am, please ask them to switch off the light. Okay. So can anyone tell me what is use of telescope? Just raise your hand. I'll ask. Yes, Miss, Mister. Sorry.
Sir, it is used to find many galaxies and stars.
To observe galaxies and stars. Anyone else? Yes. To study planets and stars. Okay, just tell me, if you look at sky, you will be able to see the stars and constellations, right? With your naked eyes, even you can see the planet. So you can see one planet over there, second planet over there. Now question is, with your naked eyes, although you can see these planets or stars, so what is use of telescope? I mean, with telescope, what difference will you be able to see? Yes?
We can look at them closer and identify the type.
Okay, so he's saying we can look them closer. Okay, I'll tell you one simple thing. See, the size of our pupil through which light can enter and fall on our retina is very small, right? So here we kept two telescopes. This is one telescope, this is second telescopes. So we will discuss about telescopes, but now I can see Venus is visible. Okay, so can I get that laser? What is this? Are you familiar with this? Okay, so this is laser. You can see the beam. Okay, can you see here? This is Jupiter, and can you see over there? So here these learners will not be able to see now. Whenever you will come this side, you will be able to see. But that thing, that white spot is nothing but Venus. Okay, how do I know this is not Venus and that is Venus? Because Venus is the second brightest planet. It's not a star. Although it is called rising star or setting star, it is not the star, it is planet. Venus can never come at this height. It at the most come at 48, 45, 48 to 49 degrees, max to max, and it again goes down. Is that clear? Okay, so all about this degrees and angles we'll learn, okay, step by step. Uh, can you pay attention here, everyone? So let me focus at Venus, okay? Chalo.
Okay, so by the time, sir, focus on Venus, okay? So let me check and let's interact, let's have a discussion about our solar system. Fine. First, very basic question.
can you switch off
Okay,
that
all
light?
eyes on me, learners. How many planets are there in the solar system? Very simple. Okay,
8.
very good. Okay. So can anyone name the 8 planets? Okay.
Venus, Mars, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Venus, not Venus, Uranus, Neptune.
Yes, very good. Okay. Can anyone, have you heard about Pluto, kids? Everyone has heard? Okay. It is a 9th planet? No. 1 second. No, I'll give. Okay. Fine. Learners, very nice. But you know what? We will raise our hand. Okay, fine. So, how many of y'all agree with the teacher that no, miss, you're wrong. We have 9 planets and Pluto is a planet. Raise your hand. I'm wrong. Okay, how many of y'all think teacher is wrong? Oh my God, majority of y'all, so that means definitely I'm wrong. Very good. Okay, so as he said, Pluto is a dwarf planet. Now, very interesting question. Come on, learners, let me see who can answer this. Fine. Why Pluto was dropped? I really want to know what Pluto did. Okay, so the Pluto was just dropped. Yeah, I'll give you a chance, Kian. Just wait. I'll give you 100%.
Pluto's orbit is too big to be considered as a normal planet's orbit, as it takes Pluto 238 years to complete one revolution around the sun.
Okay, that is absolutely nicely, very well put up. Okay, yes, one more. First, I had promised, Kian, I'll come to you also.
So also, continuing to his point, Pluto's is not exactly spherical. At one point it is close to the sun, at the other it almost exits the solar system's gravity. So it's not counted as a planet. Plus, it is a dwarf planet as it is way too small to be counted as one planet.
Okay, fine. I have all learned learners. Very nice. Come on. Yeah, I'll give it you. 100%. Just, Vivan, I'll give everyone a chance. Yes, Janai, just give me a moment. Please.
Ma'am, also Pluto's orbit can hit Neptune's orbit. They both can collide, and plus Pluto has a moon that's larger than the planet itself. So it can't be considered. Those are the
Okay.
2 main characteristics.
Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, now, 1 second. I'll, Vivan, and then I'll come to you. Come.
So the official reason why Pluto was made a dwarf planet was because it could not absorb the asteroids near it. So it could not absorb asteroids near it. Like for example, Jupiter just swallows everything that comes near its path.
Okay, so, you want to add something, Nirvan? You want to add? Okay.
Miss, it's the smallest planet. It's smaller than USA also. The whole USA. Dwarf planet.
Okay, fine. Okay, Janai, fine. Last up, okay, after Janai.
Yeah, so it doesn't have enough gravity to hold a moon. That's why.
Are we done or anybody else?
Ananya, where is Ananya?
Yeah.
There are actually 3 criterias a sphere has to follow to be considered a planet, but Pluto did not fit into the 3rd criteria.
That's one of the most accurate reason. According to NASA, there are 3 reasons, okay, for it to be considered as planet. Okay, it should almost be sphere in shape, and Pluto is sphere in shape. Okay, fine. It should follow the orbit. It does follow an orbit. Then what made it drop? as Vivan said, it did not clear its orbit of its neighborhood. So that's why it was dropped from the 9 planets. But still it is called as the dwarf planet. Fine? Okay. Now, as which object is Sir trying to view? Can anyone tell me?
It's a star.
Okay, he's saying it's a star.
Venus.
Okay, so Sir is trying to view Venus. So any interesting facts about Venus? Come on. I just thought my learners, and I know my learners are amazing. This side, anybody? My question is, any interesting fact about Venus? Okay, I'll give it to you. Just, yes.
I guess most of the people already know this, but Venus is also known as the sister planet of Earth.
Very good. Absolutely correct. First interesting fact. And then after that, I need to see how many learners can repeat the facts. Okay? Fine. So that's first absolute correct. First fact. It's a sister planet. It's called. Okay? Second, Dishita. Just 1 minute.
Ma'am, Venus is also known as the evening star.
Morning and evening star. Very good, Dishita. Absolutely correct. Okay. Okay, you know what? We'll go alternate. One this side, one this side. Fine. You have people who have answered, just wait. Nirvan, you did answer? Okay, fine.
Yes. So Venus's atmosphere is made out of carbon dioxide, which traps the heat from the sun, which makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system.
Amazing, Nirvan, and it's true. Normally we feel Mercury being the closest to the sun. It's the hottest, but as Nirvan said, okay, it has carbon dioxide. So when the sun rays reaches the Venus, the reflected sun rays are trapped by a layer of thick carbon dioxide, and therefore it becomes the hottest planet. Fine? Yes? We'll give. You want to add? Why not?
Yes, ma'am. The temperature of Venus's atmosphere is around 460 degrees Celsius.
But very good. Maximus, you want to add?
Venus is also one of the only planets in the solar system, along with Uranus, which spins anti-clockwise.
Amazing. He's also absolutely right. Very good. NASA scientists believe that I'm going to ask everyone to repeat the facts, okay? The most facts repeated will get chocolate. Okay, fine. That we'll decide on which chocolate. Fine. Yeah, okay. Keep it. Just a moment. See, all our planets, okay, fine. They revolve in which direction? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Maximus. All the other planets revolve in which direction? And then Venus revolves in? Are you all sure? Or is the opposite? Yes, Dishita? Yeah, that's what Maximus did add. It's also the Uranus. Okay, fine. But, okay, so scientists believe that it's only Venus and Uranus, okay, whose direction is changed. So in case if you are on Venus, you will see sun rising from the west and setting in the east. Yes. 1 second. Here someone wants to add. Yeah. I will give you a chance.
Venus's surface temperature is strong enough to melt lead.
Oh yes, all of you all, my amazing learners have actually done their homework so well. Yes, it has a higher surface temperature. Okay, fine. And my now simple question, can man land on Venus? Okay. Come on. Okay, we are going to Mars, but I want to go to Venus. I want to go to Venus. I don't want to go to Mars or any other planet. So I can. What do you think? Oh my God. Okay, Zenith also. Okay, just skip. Okay, both of you all. Fine? Okay, who wants to talk first? Okay, Zenith. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, we can't potentially land on Venus as the human body can't hold the heat there. Um, yes, as Zenith said, no, humans cannot land there, as even though humans build a spacesuit, the spacesuit won't be able to take the amount of heat there.
Okay, that's absolutely correct. But there's one very, very important reason. Okay, we just finished this side. I'll come back. Give, alternate, no? Okay, yes, Kian?
So there was a spaceship which landed on Venus. It lasted for some time and then it lost connection, broke down, anything. If human goes there, it can be a possibility that in even 1 second the human body will die, blown away.
Hello.
Anything.
Okay, that's correct. And he's absolutely correct. NASA had landed, which lasted for an hour on Venus. Okay, and then obviously it eventually. Okay, yes, I am happy. Yes, my dear. You raised your hand. You all are showing an object. You all are confusing
Venus
the
is the
teacher.
brightest planet.
Okay, she's absolutely right. But moon, Venus, what else is brightest? What else do you think we can observe today? Sun, very good, huh? Very good.
Moon.
Stars, but Jupiter. Yes, Jupiter. After Venus, Moon, it is a Jupiter. Okay? Yes, 1 second. One by one. I'll give everyone a chance. The one who's the... I'll give everyone a chance. Yeah, come on.
Yes. Also, one more thing why we can't survive on Venus, because its atmosphere is being very hot. It also has no oxygen. So even if with a body suit, we can't like potentially stay on Venus. We can land there and explore it.
Okay. Moon also did not have oxygen, but we did landed on Moon. But there is one very important reason. I want someone to speak. Okay, fine.
Venus
Yeah,
being
I'll give
so
you.
close to the Earth, the ultraviolet rays of the sun is very harmful, and if humans land there, it won't be it won't be possible for them to stay on there like more than a couple of minutes.
Okay, fine.
Also, ma'am, that it has a lot of other planets. It's a rocky planet, so it has a lot of sandstorms and it has a lot of volcanic activity. So due to that, the human body cannot survive there.
Okay, all the reasons are right, but just one word which I'm still dying hard to hear.
I have two reasons. The first reason is that there are lot of acid rains in Venus, and also the surface gravity is very strong.
Okay, acid rains. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, if we even go, if the spaceship even goes near Venus, the spaceship itself would melt before it even touch the surface.
Okay, yes, that's again because it's the hottest planet. One very important physics word. Come on, learners, teachers just expecting one. Gravity. Come on, let me see. Anything else? Come on. Gravity, mass, density, more. Volume, heat, weight. Yes, Jisha. Calories, capacity, atmosphere. One important word you'll just keep on missing. Huh? Bright, okay, fine. Anything else? Come on, my learners, come on. Depth, okay. You're a Pascal. It's a unit of what? Very good. It is pressure. Okay. Venus has very, very high pressure. Okay, fine. Almost, yes. No, I'm not speaking about gravity pull. Okay, fine. Human or anybody, it is just impossible for us because it will suck us like noodle. Okay, fine. Yes. Atmospheric pressure, fine pressure. Okay, yeah, like a black hole. Okay, what he's saying. Okay, black hole. Do you want our discussion to go around Venus, or we'll discuss black holes? Fine. Okay, so I want one learner to just revise learners. Fine. I just want one learner to revise up till now the facts what we spoke about Venus before the one who speaks all the facts correctly. Okay, fine. Don't kneel, but okay. Yeah. So who has not spoken? I'll give that person a chance. Yeah. She has, but okay, fine. Come forward. Just come forward. Take the mic. And yes.
So Venus is the brightest star, and it's an evening star, morning and evening star, and Venus is the hottest planet. Then Venus, mankind or man cannot survive on Venus due to the hot temperatures and the direct ultraviolet rays of the sun. The atmosphere of the Venus is very thin, and it's the so we can see Venus because due to it's very near to the Earth. It's the right next to Earth, so yeah, it's called the sister planet also.
Okay, come here. Very good.
It has a lot of greenhouse effect on Venus.
Yes, very true. That's why it's trapping, okay, the heat energy from the sun.
Releases it.
That's something, wow, yeah. Okay, you know what? One by one, okay, fine. I want first, okay, one by one, you all have any amazing fact, let's discuss that. And then maybe teacher can add one or two, okay? Fine, about space, about universe, about planets, stars, anything, solar system, come on.
So black holes are actually created from the death of a star and each galaxy's center is a black hole, and the sun is revolving around the black hole, around the Milky Way black hole, and it's getting closer to it maybe every 1,000 years or something.
Very good, amazing. Come on, one clap, come on. Come on, my learners. See, and share your knowledge. Yes, Dishita.
Ma'am, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it's also known as one of the gas giants.
Very good, Dishita. Come on. Pass the mic to her.
So I heard this fact from one of my friends. She told that in Stone Age that one of the green asteroids had come, and she was saying that after many thousands of years it's going to come in this year. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So let's start Nirvan. Yeah.
So Mars is formed by volcanic eruptions. The rocks on Mars have mostly formed from volcanic eruptions that have happened on the planet, which have cooled down. So most of Mars is made from igneous rock.
So the largest star we know right now is called Stephenson 18. It is pretty big. Yeah, it is pretty big. It's probably the size of 200 million suns.
Very good. Okay. Yes.
Sapna ma'am.
Fine.
Hello. So learners, Venus is visible. On the TV you can see the Venus. So we are going live for Venus, and later you will see through the telescope with your naked eyes. So have little bit patience. Is that okay? Okay. You will see by naked eyes na that time. इसको बस लॉक करो zoom. ठीक है एक वो हो सर अर्थ घूम रहा है ना मैं सेट कर देता हूँ आप टेंशन मत लो आप जूम करो.
That was all so amazing. Okay, now yes, we will.
रुको
Anybody wants to? Okay, he still wants to add. That's very nice, very knowledgeable. Yes, tell us.
Also that like even if Jupiter has that much gravity to hold a lot of moons, Saturn has even more moons than Jupiter has.
No, Jupiter has the most moons, Pacha. Okay, fine. There are many of them which are not named, but the most moons, that's very nice. But, and how many of you all believe that Jupiter also has rings around it? Like Saturn has rings, we have studied from our kindergarten. Does have rings? Everyone? Yes? Very true? Yes. You go behind. That's very nice. Okay, fine. Yes. Yes.
Sir.
1 second.
आप है ना press कर रहे हो.
1 second. Yeah, Nirvan, you just said give others a chance. Just give 2 minutes. I know. I'll come back to you. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I think why not we just start observing? That's okay. And let's come back. Fine?
चलो zoom करो. चलो लाइव.
Good evening, everyone. We are extremely thrilled to be a part of this spectacular stargazing event held by our school, JBCN International. I, Ananya Dagya, am from grade 6 ENA.
I am Navishta Khaun from grade 6 Eins.
And we are very eager to indulge in this very unique and special experience. Navishta, do you know what's the brightest object in the night sky?
The moon?
And the second brightest?
Venus?
Yes, and that's exactly what we're going to look at today. Since Venus is one of the two inferior planets like Mercury, its orbit is smaller than Earth's orbit, and hence we can see faces of Venus just like the moon. Do you know which face it is tonight?
Yes, I do, since I just looked through the telescope. Today, it has a gibbous face.
Go. And we can only see the white colored disk of Venus. So we have many eager students waiting to see Venus through the telescope, so over to them. Thank you.
लाइट चलेगा.
We didn't even see Venus. We can see them.
नहीं. This side.
This what we saw.
Learn us this side. Learn us please come this side.
Come this side and start observing.
इधर लगा ना ये वो आधा करना है ना वो वाला. लाइट चालू कर सकते हो आप.
Learners, we'll start observing the Venus. Okay. As it is, you can see it on the screen also. So let's come. I will call you all. Okay. Let's make a line. Come. One by one, stop. Only 5 at a time. Only 5 at a time. Stop. Learners, just stop. 2 minutes. Yeah, very good.
Learners,
very good.
Wait, do not move at all.
Yeah. Okay. So do not move at all. Yes.
Learners, do not run. Ma'am, please ask.
See,
them to stop.
there are wires. Okay, learners. Yes. Very good. So let's start.
Sir, आवाज. Hello, am I audible? Okay, so here we can see the Venus. I am focusing Venus over here. Hmm. One more. One more time. Okay, so on screen we can see Venus. Venus is in gibbous phase. So we expect that it should be like flat white disk, but since it is orbiting as an inner planet, so we can see its phases similar to Moon. Now you can see on the screen that Venus is moving from diagonally. It's just because Earth is moving. So since Earth is moving so fast, and we are focusing on Venus, and the field of view is so small that just because of due to motion of Earth, the Venus is going out of the focus, out of the screen. So you can guess how fast we are moving. We in the sense Earth. So one more time, last time we are showing the same thing. Just a minute, we are adjusting. Sir, 1 minute. Focus it. Okay, so diagonally it will start moving again. I'm leaving the telescope free. So I repeat again, the motion of Venus appears because I mean Earth is moving. Hence, although the telescope is stationary, due to motion of Earth, it seems as if Venus is going out of the screen so fast. So it's about to go the screen. So by moving the telescope, I can again adjust it. I can bring it in frame like this. Okay. So here we are removing the camera, and we are putting like eyepiece so that our learners can see this Venus through their naked eyes. Okay, so we are switching off the light. Thank you. Learners, can you see there? You can see one dot is moving. Where is that? Laser. Can you see this dot? It is satellite. This dot is satellite, artificial satellite. See this, so fast it is moving. It's not a plane, it's a satellite. Acha, you are doing Tata. Ruko, ruko. Satellite dekh lo. See this, that is satellite. Learners,
Come this side so you can
automatically go invisible.
Come on, let's describe one word for it. Everyone needs to think about one word to describe what you all saw. Very good. See, nice exclamatory remarks are coming out. Learners, very nice. Yeah, just stand. Learners, there are wires, you will trip. Please, there are wires. Everyone who has seen, please settle, beta. Teacher is going to come and ask you questions. Come on. Wherever you were, please settle on that place. I know voice. Okay. Learner who has, please settle. I will. Please come. Learners. Learners, be seated fast. Ananya and Navishta, please come here. Here. Yellow, ma'am. They both.
Hello, hello. It's not. Hello, hello, hello. Why isn't it work? Ask that tech guy.
चालू है बेटा ऑन कर डबल ऑन हेलो डबल ऑन
Hello.
जब तक ये लास्ट एंड तक नहीं जाएगा ना ऑन करके नहीं वो लाइव है ना इसके लिए
Turn it on. Ready? Bono? 1 minute. Push it up, full up. I know, not right now. He said to. Then it doesn't work. And then you are lost. It's live. All the people are over there.
कोई नहीं बैठा इधर
Everyone, sorry, I have a mic. Make you later one say. Yeah. Everyone, I'm going to ask you questions. Center, are we ready? Okay. Fine. Now,
Hello.
about your experience.
What was it? What did he do?
Hello in the mic.
Great.
Zoom. Correct. रुको करो zoom out रुको अच्छा ये साइड में हो गया
आप ये बॉक्स की एज पे रखो बस ये जो बॉक्स
हाँ।
नहीं नहीं ज़्यादा बस बस
छोड़ो लग गया zoom
हाँ ये थोड़ा एक नीचे आएंगे ना
नहीं
So you can say I couldn't agree more. So it like seem a bit more when you start with this.
सर आ गया zoom in करो ना वापस एज पे जाओ
Or do you scream into the mic?
नहीं सर वो ना टेढ़ा जा रहा है
January.
zoom out करो
Wait, what?
मुझे ना यहाँ पे रखने की जरूरत है
Say when he was on Jamboree.
रुको रुको
I'll be loud.
He was super.
हाँ चलो zoom in करो zoom in अभी ये आएगा चलो चलेगा.
Wow, what a wonderful sight was Venus, wasn't it?
I couldn't agree more. It was spectacular. This evening, we are also going to talk about another bright object in the sky called Jupiter. Uh, when I saw Jupiter through the telescope, we could see bands of reddish brownish belts. These bands represent atmospheric belts, and I could also see 3 to 4 dots in the same lane as Jupiter's ring. These are Jupiter's moons. Could you believe I could see 4 moons through this telescope? Through this telescope.
Yes, I think they were Ganymede and Io.
Yes, and Europa and Callisto. That was all.
So let's see Jupiter through the telescope. Thank you.
Hello. Okay, so here we can see the Jupiter is moving through the screen diagonally. Along the diagonal, you can see some lines on the disk of Jupiter, that is atmospheric belt of Jupiter. Now we are giving overexposure to this so that you can even see the, just a minute, I'm adjusting. Okay, so now we are increasing the exposure so that you can see those dots which are its satellites. So please exposure बढ़ा दो, डॉट दिखने चाहिए. नहीं पहले दिखे थे ना थोड़ी सी. हाँ, और एक. Okay, this single dot you can see on the screen. Okay, so this single dot you can see, it is satellite of Jupiter. This is Ganymede. So this is Ganymede satellite. It's coming down, and we can see the motion of satellites and Jupiter so fast because our Earth is rotating about itself. So it appears that each and every star planet is going in backward direction. So now Ganymede is about to go. Okay, so now this is second satellite. Now Jupiter will come in frame. Okay, start. One more time. Now Jupiter is entering into the frame. So this is the second satellite, and two satellites are present on other side of the Jupiter. So you can see these two satellites are very close to each other. थोड़ा कम करेंगे exposure. We are again focusing on the we are decreasing the exposure. One more time. Okay, so now atmospheric belts are clearly visible. You can see almost 3 to 4 belts horizontally. So these are reddish or brownish belts. Now slowly it is going out of the frame. Yeah, almost out of the screen. So this is done. Now we are removing the camera and we'll start again naked eye sky observation. Okay. Thank you.
Wait, wait. Okay. See this.
We are observing through 16 mm eyepiece. Thank you, sir. So just close your eyes for some time so that your eyes will get adapted for this night sky. You can see.
Okay. Sir,
Ma'am?
wait.
Ma'am, you can switch on the light and that side you can.
Yes. So please come, Kian. Yes. Can you tell me your experience? How was it?
So it was a huge ball of fire. It was really white, and I could clearly see the atmospheric bands.
Wow.
It looked really big.
Very nice. Okay. Very nice, Kian. Zenith, come. Anyone who wants to share their experience, please come.
Talking about Venus, Venus had like, I could also see fire, like it was a fireball, and also it had like red rays in the side.
Very
so
good.
we can understand it's the hottest planet.
Very
and
nice.
Jupiter, I think it was, through the microscope, it seems bigger than Venus, and in actual life also it's bigger. Plus, we could see we could
Jupiter.
understand it is a gas giant.
Okay, that's very nice. So through the telescope, Zenith could understand it's a gas giant.
So Venus, actually I could see because it was a very hot planet, I could see the like little rays on the four ends. So I could immediately like understand that this is a very hot planet. And Jupiter, with Jupiter, I could understand it was a gas giant due to like the color, and I could also see few of its moons.
Wow, very nice, very nice. Come.
Okay,
Look
so
there.
for Venus, I could see red rays around it, and for Jupiter, it was like very bright because Sir told us to close our eyes and then see it.
Okay, that's very nice. Please come. I want everyone.
Yeah, so like Venus was that like kind of thing that like I see in the cartoons that they play with a golden ball and stuff like that.
Come on this.
So it was like basically like a red hot ball of like fire and rocks and gas and other stuff. And Jupiter was like just like I saw the like little red lines. Those were the
Yes.
sandstorms on it and volcanic activities happening. So like those red lines could defy it.
Very good. Yeah. Nirvan, just 2 minutes.
So I saw.
No, Nirvan, look there. Yeah.
I saw
Very
Jupiter's
nice.
like I saw Jupiter's like stripes. Like when you Google Jupiter, you see it has a few stripes. So I saw that. I also saw like a very small bit of the big red spot. The big red spot is a huge storm that's been going on for over 400 years.
Very nice.
I also saw some of the moons like Ganymede.
Yeah,
Io.
Ganymede. Yeah, very nice. You remember the names of the moons. That's amazing. Yeah, Io. Okay, Nirvan, come.
And Europa also.
So I saw 3 of Jupiter's moons, and I
Nirvan.
could see the stripes on Jupiter and the great red spot. The great red spot can swallow 3 Earths, but it is gradually shrinking every year.
Wow, very nice. Anyone else? Please come to share your experience. Jisha, come. Come, share your experience.
So, Miss, Jupiter was like, it was a very pale color and it wasn't so bright, but that was how much I saw.
Very nice. Okay. Do you all know Jupiter is so large, 11 Earth can fit into the Jupiter. Okay. So Janai will repeat the fact what teacher just said. Janai, come. Teacher just said a fact and you will repeat it. Because you're my favorite. That's why. So come, Janai. Yes, Janai. Teacher just spoke a fact about Jupiter. So what did she say?
Somebody called me and then I couldn't listen to actually listen.
Okay, I just said Jupiter is so big, 11 Earth can fit into it.
No, 1300 Earths.
1300 Earths, you mean?
No, actually.
Okay, now it became to 300. Any more?
1300. I said
1300 or 13 are you saying?
1300.
No, bacha. No.
I've seen it on YouTube. It is like that.
No. Fine. Okay. And Jupiter has the shortest day. Fine. So teacher is going to repeat one facts. And let me see who can repeat the teacher. Ready? I'm quoting the first fact. So the first fact is Venus. We all saw. And for me it was mesmerizing when I saw Venus. Okay. So Venus is named after a lady god. So anyone knows that what does Venus, the name, signifies? Why it was named after the lady god? Okay, Kian, come. Come, Jesha, come. Yes.
So Venus was also sort of a Roman name for a god. So the Greek name for the god is Aphrodite, goddess of love, beauty, whatever. So
Very good, yes.
since Venus looks the prettiest, it was named after that.
Yes, and it's the only planet named after a female because it was the most prettiest, brightest, so it was named after the beauty, the goddess of beauty. And that's why the name Venus. Very nice.
The other Mars, for example, Mars. So Mars was named after the goddess of war.
Yes, Mars. And
Neptune.
Jupiter?
Jupiter of Zeus, which is the king, mighty king of everything, thunder, lightning.
Thunder, sky, Kiana's amazing knowledge.
And Neptune, god of sea.
Very nice. Very good. Okay, can someone tell me which is the smelliest planet? Yes, you know. Come here, come here, come here. Very nice. Tell
Uranus.
me. Why? Maybe something. You know?
It
Okay.
has a chemical
Yes.
called sodium hydroxide.
No, no. Yes. Vivan, look there. No, Vivan. Stop, Nirvan, bacha. You'll get hurt. Yeah. So, Vivan is going to tell us why Uranus is the smelliest planet. No, no, Uranus.
Uranus, basically Uranus smells like our farts because there's a chemical
Yes.
there's a
okay.
chemical in our farts which is made up which is in Uranus's atmosphere. I don't know the name, but that's all I know.
Basically because it has methane.
No, it's not. It's that hydrogen sulfide. That's very nice. And there's something in the name also, do you think? Fine? Okay, fine. So we... Okay, that's very true. Okay, yes. So Uranus is actually known as the smelliest planet. Fine. And let's come to the next one. Okay, can someone tell me which is the 6th largest planet? Yes, students, anyone? Which is the 6th largest planet? Yes. Okay, come Janai. Neptune is what he's saying.
Venus.
Absolutely correct. It's Venus. Okay, fine. And that's the 6th largest planet. So Venus spins clockwise on its axis. The other planets, they spin anti-clockwise. Fine. Where is Geeta? Yes. No, no. They were saying it opposite. Other planets, they spin anti-clockwise. Venus and, yeah. No, that's what we were saying. No, I was correcting them since so long. Okay, fine. And now Dishita will share her experience of today.
So today when I actually came, I was pretty excited and So first when I saw Venus, the planet was actually really glittering and it was pretty yellow like we see in all our textbooks. And Jupiter was pretty big and it was also glowy and white and I was pretty excited for today.
Learners, who saw the belts on the Jupiter? Yes, how was it looking?
Very like thin, and I could see a shade of red kind.
Yeah, it was reddish brown. Very good. Yes, come, Pareen. You wanted to speak something? Please come. Yeah, face the camera, beta. Yeah. This is not working. Take this.
Today was a spectacular day to watch planets like Venus, Saturn, and more. I never thought of seeing planets such as them. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you, Pareen.
Today I was really excited when I saw Venus. It had four red sparks kind of thing in its four corners, and it almost looked like a really bright, shiny diamond. And when I saw the Jupiter, it had three more moons around it, and it also had many lines, kind of a thing, like a reddish brown part. And I was really excited and looking forward for this day.
So I really liked today's program, and the planets looked really shiny and bright, like she said, and they looked like diamonds. And yeah, it went really well, and I was really excited. I hope this comes again. Thank you.
I really like today's day. We could see in Venus that the Venus was very different than Jupiter. I could see four sparks, and I could see Jupiter's three moons. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Maximus. Today's day was really spectacular. You know, I saw Venus and Jupiter in the first time in my life. Venus was like a ball of fire that was so bright. Thank you.
Today's day was great and spectacular, as everyone said. The main thing I wanted to see was Jupiter, as it's the largest planet in the whole solar system and is about to become a star but can't. And also I saw Venus, which is actually a ball of fire, and I saw the rings of the Jupiter, which were reddish brown. Thank you.
Today's experience was scintillating and I enjoyed this a lot. Especially I enjoyed the part Jupiter's those small rings, tiny, that were like the reddish brown, rusty color. That was like just mesmerizing to see.
Today's day was awesome. It was nice. I enjoyed the part where I had to see Jupiter. Actually I could see it moving, and I saw a few of its moons as well. The sight with Venus was also pretty mesmerizing.
Today it was very fun and spectacular seeing two planets, Jupiter and Venus. Both of them look like balls of fire.
Today I was looking forward to seeing the planets, and Venus was very bright, and Jupiter was very pale and like a grayish color.
So today I came here, and I saw Venus, which was not that clear honestly, but it was like a flare. It was a very bright flare, and yeah, and Jupiter was huge, and Jupiter was very clear because it's not that bright, so you don't get that you don't get you can see it with your naked eye. You can see Jupiter with your naked eye.
Hello, am I audible? Okay, learners, so I hope you enjoy all the things. Okay, so now there are few more things are there I mean, I know that Jupiter and Venus was exciting and all, but here you can see something. Can you see here 3 stars? Okay, so here I am correct. That is Orion constellation. Now, can you see this region? Okay, so here you can see very blur stars. Okay, faint stars. Learners, please pay attention. I am saying something. Okay, can anyone tell me what is nebula? Yes. Anyone? What is nebula? Yes. Yes, Vihan.
Sir, nebula actually occurs when a big star is made. So, nebula is actually like into types of shapes, out of which our solar system was made by a circular disk of nebula, and then the sun was born by all the particles by gravity fit into one another and attach.
Okay, okay. So in simple words, nebula is a cloud of gas. Okay. So here in this region, we have one nebula, and I am going to focus that Orion Nebula in the telescope. Is that clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
now you are going to see the cloud of hydrogen where star born. Okay. So we are going to see the birthplace of star. It is here. Okay. Now what are you going to observe? See, you will be able to see small fine dots which are stars. Okay. Around those stars you will be able to see some fuzzy patch kind of thing which is little bit whitish, as if some faint cloud is present over there. That cloud itself is the Orion Nebula. Is that clear? And the size of that Orion Nebula, the spread of that cloud is about almost few light years. Okay, so the spread is too large. So what are you going to see? So we are going to see small dots which are at the center of eyepiece, I mean wherever you are seeing, and around that white dots you can see some white cloud kind of thing, fuzzy thing. Okay, that is Orion Nebula. Is that clear? Yes, now if you won't be able to see, you can ask me there itself. Okay, so now one by one we are going to see that Orion Nebula through the eyepiece. Is that clear? Okay, so one by one, so teacher will send you one by one. So please be seated. I'm going to readjust it again. Okay. रह गया बस अभी फ्लॅश नाही झालं Okay, learners, please close your eyes. Learners, close your eyes, because see, have you ever seen the cat? No, cat. Okay, eyes of cat. So if you see eyes of cat in the daytime, you can see a small line kind of thing, and if you see night time, then you can see the circle. So that pupil gets expanded or contracted, right? So here, if you close your eyes, then your pupil will expand, and you can gather more and more light, so it will be clearer. Okay, close the eyes for few seconds and now open it. Now you are going to see small dots. Okay, so whichever eye you are keeping outside, I mean not looking through the telescope, then close that eye with one hand, and with other hand see through the eyepiece. This is called eyepiece. Okay, at the center you will see 3-4 small dots, and surrounded by some white patch. That white patch is Orion Nebula, the birthplace of star. Now start seeing. Start.
Today's experience has been going very well, and I. Today's experience has been going very well, and it's very interesting and a new thing for us. And I hope the school hosts many more events like this.
When I saw the nebula, it was very faint, and the cloud around it was very faint, and there were three dots in the middle, and that was forming a triangle. Thank you.
So today was a really exciting day, and we learned many different things. So today was a really exciting day. We learned like many different things about Venus, Jupiter, and etc. I'd love to have more of these kind of sessions as they're very interesting. And one of the best part was the ring that we saw around the Jupiter. Thank you.
So today's evening was very spectacular for me. For the first time in my life, I saw Venus and Jupiter through a microscope with my naked eyes. The Venus was very bright and sparkly, and it was a ball of fire. The Jupiter too was very massive in size, and it was quite fun to see them. Thank you.
Hi guys, so my name is Naisha and today's day was the best day ever. We learned many things about planets and space. The best thing was the rings we saw around the Jupiter that was rusty. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Zenith and Hello, my name is Zenith and today's day was fabulous and spectacular because I just saw the whole one of my bucket list items got over and I just saw my favorite thing which is a Jupiter. Thank you.
Yeah.
So my name. So my name is Arnav, and today's day was fabulous. Indeed, I actually saw a nebula for the first time in my life, and even the sights of Venus and Jupiter were really good. We even saw a moving satellite. and
Learners,
It was
settle.
mesmerizing. Thank you.
Yeah. So learners, now teacher is going to say, just revising some facts. Fine enough? And one big chocolate to the person who repeats all the facts. Ready? So first fact. I'm just reading it up. Venus, okay, it's a twin planet of Earth. First fact. Are we ready, learners? Okay? Yeah. So twin sister, you start counting. Fine. Next, it's called the morning or the evening star. Very good. A day on Venus is longer than a year. So our year is 24, our year is how many days? 365 days and day is 24 hours. It's opposite on Venus. Fine. So a day is longer than a year. It's hotter than Mercury. Next, it spins clockwise on its axis. Next, okay, it's the second brightest natural object seen in the sky after the moon.
So have you realized one thing? The year span is lesser than day span. It means you can celebrate your birthday every day. Right?
Yeah, so, yeah, daily birthday. So I think we should celebrate we should celebrate Earth like birthdays or like Venus. Fine? Next fact. Venus doesn't have any moons. 7. This is the only planet named after a female. 9th. It's the 6th largest planet. Okay, so how many facts? 9 facts. So let's see who can repeat all the 9 facts. Come on. Yes, first we'll start with her because she was counting. Come, it's fine. Let's see.
First is it is the sister planet of.
Yeah, and you all have to see. Come on.
Sister planet of Earth. It is the hottest planet. It's the 6th largest planet. It is the brightest thing in the sky. No.
Okay, she said 3. I want all 9 learners. Yes, wait, Nirvan, wait. That's super cute. Just wait. Okay. Grade 7 learners, we have really nice, enthusiastic participants. I will give you a chance in it. Please come.
So Venus is the second. Venus is the sister planet of Earth. It is the second brightest. Second brightest. Second bright.
Very good count. Zenith is my counter.
Second brightest thing in the sky after the moon. It is the only planet that is named after a female. It is the sixth largest. It is the sixth largest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. It is hotter than Mercury. Uh, yeah, three. It has no moons.
How many? Oh. No, it has no moons. No moons. 7 you have done. She's the closest. Let's see who beats 7. 7. Nirvan. Just a minute, Nirvan. Okay, let's go for 1 second. I'll give everyone a chance. Just wait. Okay. Fine. I'll give everyone a chance. Okay. I'll randomly pick an alphabet. Okay. Whose name starts with that alphabet? Ready? Okay. Or else I'll just pick up a roll number. Whoever roll number that is, you all can come ahead. Fine enough. Lucky draw. I don't know your roll numbers. So let's start. No, I don't. No. I am the HRT, but I'm ignorant regarding roll numbers. Ready? So the lucky roll number is 19. You're 19? See, random pickup. So yes, so let's start. Come on. No, you have to face. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so it's the hottest planet. It is the only planet named after a female. It has no moons.
Count.
It has no moons. It is a sister planet. And it is the second brightest object besides the moon in the sky.
Very good.
5.
Don't prompt.
It is known as the morning and the evening star. And then, I said that.
Okay, now tick 5 count. Tick 1. Tick 2. Tick 3. Tick 4. Tick 5. Okay. No. Lucky roll number. Very nice, but she tried 6. Okay, can we just have a little space? So roll number. No, don't prompt me. You prompt me with the roll number. I'm not going to speak that number. Okay. So yeah, you prompt me. I'm not going to speak that number. Okay. Fine. Roll number 29. Anyone? 29? 29? Anyone? Okay. Now don't prompt me. Roll number 8. Anyone? Yay, Zenith! Come on. Okay, don't. Fine. Stop. You be the counter. Fine. Counter. Stop. Yes. Come on.
It has no moons. It is known as the evening and the morning star. It is named after a female. It is the twin sister of Earth. It is the second brightest planet. After the moon. Near the moon. Object.
Okay. How many? 5. Come on, Zenith. Tick 5. No. Okay. Tick 1. Tick 2. Tick 3.
It is no.
Tick 4. Tick 5. Wow, Zenith. Up till now, this girl is a winner. She recalls 7. You're also 8. Okay, Navishta is also 8. Come on, Navishta. Come. Okay, let's see. Okay, and we have got one more 8 roll number. So let's see. Navishta. Who's the counter? Who's counting? Okay, fine. So let's start, Navishta, beta. Start.
It is the hottest planet. Okay, let me think, guys. It is the 6th largest planet. It has no moons. It is a morning and evening star, sister planet, Earth. Okay, guys, give me points. Come on. No. Wait. It has no moons.
Okay, how many? How many? 6. Oh, still. No, wait. Roll number 8, we have one more, so let him try.
Come on, Kian.
It has no moons. It is the sixth largest planet. Uh, it is the sister planet. It is the morning and the evening star. Let's speak.
Oh my. Okay. Now, wait. This is the last, okay? Don't prompt me. And roll number, the lucky roll number is 13. Anyone 13? 13, lucky roll number. No, you can't. I will verify your roll number. No, that's very nice, Janai. Okay, fine. No one 13. It's just a little. Okay, Aradhya, are you 13? No, it's 13. 13, Vivan. 13. Okay, fine. So, roll number 1. Who's one? Okay, Dishita. Count. I have the Cadbury.
Okay.
She gets because she spoke 7.
Miss, I can speak online. Yeah, Miss, send me next.
So it has no
I can
moons.
speak all like-
It's known as the morning and evening star. It's the sixth largest planet. It's the second hottest planet. Okay. And it's the sister planet to Earth. It's the second shiniest planet object next to the moon. And one more. It has no moons. It has no moons.
I can say online. I actually can say. Shoes.
Wait for your turn. Bacha, you're so sweet. Just wait. How many did she count? 7. Oh, one more and you can beat that girl. Do you remember? Okay, slow. Slick, tick, tick. 1.
I don't know.
Oh my, wait, Jan, I'll give you a chance. There's one more roll number. There's roll number 1. Yes.
Please.
My God, I'll give her.
Ma'am, please.
It is known as the morning and evening star. It has no moons. It is named after the goddess of beauty.
That's wrong.
Did I say it's the hottest planet?
No, not so. Give us something. Third she finished. Okay, she said sorry.
It's the second shiniest object.
Very nice. Come on.
From
How
the
many she
moon.
finished? 5.
5.
No. Janai. Are you sure? Try. Okay, they are counting. You count. Start. Come on, one more, darling.
Tick, tick, 4. Tick, tick, 5.
Okay, no, no, no. I'm picking up still roll numbers because, okay, no, no, no. I will give you a chance. If nobody, then in the end, Janai will speak all of them. Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. I've only got one big chocolate. That's it. Okay, I'll give you. Roll number, roll number, roll number, roll number, roll number 15. Anyone roll number 15? Veda? Roll number 15. How come others, y'all are not doing roll number 15? Let's start counter. Janai counter.
It is known as the evening and morning star. It has no moons.
Come on, I want to
It has a twin sister called Earth. Then I can't remember. I can't remember. It is the sixth largest planet. I can't remember. You know this, Veda. Tick 3, tick 4, tick 5. You say nothing.
Give the mic. Sapna miss.
How many, Janai? How many? 5. That's really nice, Veda. Okay, so one second. Don't you, one second. Okay. Yeah, Janai, I'll give you a chance. Okay, why not we all sit and Nirvan, you are taking the mic away. Very nice. Okay, yes. Okay, one second. Jay, I am not against anyone. Okay, first, let me see if you all can settle. Okay, at my count of 5. Not here. Why are you just go there. Come on. Yes. Jesha, I'll give you. I'll give you 100%. Please. Yes, Jesha and Jisha and Janay. All J's are troubling me today. Yes, bye. Very nice. Please settle. Okay, one second. Let's hear some, what has happened. Listen, there's a very nice trick. The trick says, I will distract all of y'all with some different facts. So your brain gets distracted. No, yes. And after your brain gets distracted, still if you remember all the 9, that means superb. Okay, fine. Yeah, but then I want to give you, because I trust you more. Okay, fine. So now let's hear something, some more facts about nebula. So who's coming and speaking? Zenith. But which type of nebula? Zenith, sorry, you have to face here.
I think you guys might be wondering, what did we just see in the telescope? It is a nebula. It is located in the Milky Way. We can see it in the night sky. It is the birthplace of stars. Also, it is made of a cloud of dust and gas.
So the nebula we just saw was the Orion Nebula that is present in the Orion constellation that's just below the Orion belt. And this nebula is located in our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. It's a cloud full of hydrogen gas and dust. And it's a luminous cloud and it's a diffuse nebula. So many of the stars that of the Orion constellation take place from this birth from this nebula. And I hope you all enjoyed watching this nebula from a very close eye and had a great fun time watching that. Thank you.
Done, then ask others.
Now, can anyone tell me any facts on nebulas? No. Nebula.
He's still on the Venus. Okay, so I suppose all of you all are distracted. So let me pick a roll number again. Roll number, no. Are you sure? Settle down. Okay, Zenith, you also settle down. Okay. No. You feed me the roll number, then I'm not going to do it. Roll number. Okay, let's try. What do you think? I'll give Janay a chance. Okay, let's see who all can. Okay, fine. We'll start with who's confident enough to speak all 9. Okay, yes, so let's start. Janay, come. Yeah, I'll give you also a chance.
It is the second planet in the solar system. It is the second brightest celestial body after the moon in the night sky of the Earth. It is the twin sister of the. It is known as the twin sister of the Earth. It is a hottest planet of the solar system. It is the sixth largest planet in the solar system. Its atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide. The temperature reaches there up to 400 and more degrees. It has no moons. 8, 9. Wait, this thing. I forgot the name. Huh? Okay. Okay. Huh? It is named after the goddess. Female goddess.
Okay, yeah, tell me. Okay, just wait 1 second. Yeah, tell me. I did not state them, but they were right. What did you say?
I said the temperature is 400 and above degrees. It is the second planet in the solar system. And
I don't think temperature is 400. These stars are 4,000. Sun is 5,000 and it's closest and it's the hottest. No, that. Venus, no. Nothing in hundreds. It's like, 100 degrees Celsius water boils, bacha. 400 is nothing. 400 degrees Celsius is like very less. No. 400 is very less. That's what I'm saying, bacha.
It is YouTube, Miss
YouTube is never wrong. That is not happening. No. Okay, if not, Janay has 8 facts. Fine enough? Yes. Up till now, the highest. Okay, fine. Okay, both of y'all, okay? Anyone? I don't know. I'm unable to choose. Geeta, miss. He already said. Yeah, so Geeta miss will take over. They're stating the facts. Okay.
Mom, I didn't say. Yay. Mom, I didn't say these guys are lying.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus is the second brightest celestial body in the sky. Venus is the only planet named after a female goddess. Venus is the twin sister of Earth. Venus is the hottest planet. Venus's atmosphere is made up of mostly carbon dioxide. Venus has no moons. Venus is a planet. Venus is made up of rocks. No, Jupiter is made up of rocks. Excuse me, Jupiter is made up of rocks. Only 3 planets are made up of. 4 planets are made up of.
Thank you. Where's Sapna, Miss Ma'am?
Continue, please. Continue with your discussion. Okay, learners. So whatever you have learned so far, would you like to share with our Devika ma'am? Yes? Yes? Where's the Josh? It's here. Okay. So who is going to? Okay, we'll start with you.
Yes. Second time. Venus is the second planet in the universe. Second planet from the sun in the solar system. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the second brightest celestial body after the moon in the Earth's night sky. It is named after a female god. It has atmosphere which is very thin. Then this thing. Venus is the twin sister of Earth, and it has no moons. And its atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide.
Can we clap for him? Wow. Who is next? Okay. I have not heard him. Can we call him?
So it's the second planet in the solar system. It is the second brightest in the night sky of Earth. Second brightest object in our night sky. Planet, Venus. Then it is the hottest. Jupiter. Then after that, it is the hottest. It has no moon. It is the twin sister of Earth. It spins clockwise while the rest anti-clockwise. So sun rises in the west, sets in the east. Then a day is larger than a year, meaning daily birthdays if you live there. Yeah. And it is the only planet to be named after a female goddess. Yeah, thank you. Very much.
Children, I just wanted to understand whether you are having fun with all this learning. It's really fun, isn't it? I wanted to see what was the sky like in Mumbai, and I never thought I would be able to see so many stars and planets on the sky at the same time. And sir told me we just need to look up and see, and we'll be able to find them. So have more fun. I think they've already decided the next thing that you all want to see. Mars is ready. Wow.
Okay, so who is going to speak
Hello?
about Jupiter?
Mars.
Mars.
Okay, so just a second. Can you see here? What is the color? Red. So that is the Mars. Can anyone tell me why the color is red? Yes.
Mars's the structure of Mars. Each and every rock has a lot of iron in it, and because the iron is rusted, it has a reddish color.
So as we can find silica on Earth, similarly you can find lot of iron on the surface of Mars. Okay, and the whole, just a minute, and whole surface is rusted, so the color is red. Okay, so the atmospheric oxygen has reacted with soil of Mars. Is that clear? Yes. Okay, so so we are okay. You can see there Mars. Can you see here? That is Mars. I am going to adjust it again.
Okay, so one by one, we will see
do
Mars.
not come here. Go there. See the wire. Learners, do not come here.
Are you
Wait.
excited?
Wait. Stay there itself.
Yes, I am.
Get up and go. We are going to see Mars. Okay?
Chalo, zoom. Learners, do not move. Do not move. Zoom in. हाँ, चलेगा. उनको बोला ना यहाँ करने. कैमरा. इधर दिखा. लाइट चलेगा. इधर गया. रुको. हाँ. बस. थोड़ा ऊपर करूँ. नहीं. Great. Okay, so here we can see Mars, the red dot. Okay, so this kind of structure you can see. Now if you remember, in the case of Venus, it was not the complete circle, it was having gibbous face. So here you can see the proper disc kind of thing. Okay, so I'm readjusting it again. Wait. Okay, we can zoom. So on screen we can see Mars. Okay, one by one. Just a minute. No, okay. Even from even with naked eyes, you can see the same thing. Okay, you can just see and go. Okay, just see here and you can go. No, no, no. On the screen you have to see. It's visible, na? So even with naked eyes, you will be able to see the same thing. Okay, just a second. Zoom out. रुको 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 लेता हूँ. रुको. Okay.
There is no phobos sadly.
Not touch. Okay. Continue.
Wow.
नहीं नहीं रुको बस. हाँ. अच्छा. रुको रुको. ठीक है. Okay. You can see and continue. This is the Mars. So after this, we'll sit and we'll discuss few things about constellation. Is that okay? The colors and colors of stars and all. 9 हो गए. Do we have time? Okay. Mars. Please move faster so that we can discuss few things. Yes. So what color do you think is this? Arjun, you came late? Just a minute. Learners, please sit down. Okay, so I'm giving some basic information within 5-10 minutes. Then hello learners. Here learners. Wait. I'm later. Okay, so learners, light, please no light. Okay, okay, fine. Can you please switch off that light? Didi, तो light बंद कराना. Okay, learners, please close your eyes for few seconds. Everyone will close their eyes so that our eyes will get adapted for the night sky. Please close your eyes as well as your lips, mouth. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Learners, can you please keep quiet? No, learners, do not repeat it. Please close your eyes, okay, and do not say anything. Okay, just enjoy the silence for few seconds. Eyes are closed. Fareen, close your eyes. Ma'am? Okay, open your eyes. Okay, now why did we close our eyes? If you see the eyes of cats, so in daytime you can see single line. Okay, the size of pupil is very small, but in night time or in evening you can see the whole pupil is almost open. So whenever your pupil gets contracted or expanded, more or less light goes in our eyes. Okay, it's the light falls on our retina and we can see the image. Is that clear? Now second thing, we will choose a small, a very faint star. Can you see one star over here? Just try to focus on this star and tell me whether it is visible or not. Try to focus. Visible? Properly visible? Now see over here and check and tell me whether it is better condition or less. Okay, can you see star over here? Here. Try to visible, it's very faint. Now try to focus on this star and you will see 3 stars over are visible. So moral of the story is, if you focus on a particular star, you won't be able to see that star. Can you tell me why is it so? Anyone, just raise your hand first. Yes? No. So the reason is, we can detect color. Is that clear? Correct? Fine. So two types of cells are present on our retina. One is conical cell and second is rod cell. The distribution of cone cell is in the central region, so we can see the colors easily. But the distribution of rod cell and so cone cells can detect colors, RBG, and rod type cells can detect the difference between black and white. So if you try to focus on this star, you won't be able to see that star clearly, but if you little bit see here, it is now visible. Because if you change your vision, not change your vision, if you just shift your focus from the star, then the star gets focused, the starlight gets focused on the peripheral region, that is circumference of our retina, where those stars, those cells are located which can see the difference between dark and white. Hence you can see the star. Is that clear? So whenever you want to see any star properly and clearly, you have to little bit see here and there. So do not directly focus on the star. Is this clear? So this is the first thumb rule for the sky observation. Now just begin before the sky observation. Hello Parin. So before beginning the sky observation, we should know few things about sky. See, whole sky is divided into 88 parts. I am not saying 88 equal parts. The whole sky is divided into 88 parts. Each part is known as constellation, right? Now if you see Mars over here, Jupiter over here, and Venus was here somewhere, right? So Venus was here, Jupiter was here, Mars is here. I'm just continuing the path again. Venus was here, Jupiter, Mars, and if you see another stars will come over here. So this is east direction. Each star is each planet is rising from here and setting here. So this is the path of all planets and moon. Is that clear? Now those constellations, I repeat, do you know what is constellation? Can I repeat it? The whole sky is divided into 88 parts. Each part is known as constellation. Now here we saw Venus, then Jupiter, then Mars. If I continue this path, I'll meet eastern horizon. So this whole path is divided into 12 equal parts, and that those constellations or those parts are known as zodiac sign. Okay, so 12 zodiac signs are among from those 88 constellations. So okay, do you understand the constellations, Aisha? Okay, fine. So this is the path of planets or moon or sun. This part, or out of those 88 constellation, you can get 12 constellations on this path, and those 12 constellations are known as zodiac sign. Is that clear? Have you ever heard about nakshatra, the word nakshatra? Okay, not that jewelry brand, just a nakshatra, not even building name. Okay, so you can see moon rising over here and setting over here. But if you observe the moon, each day you will see 13-degree shift. So the path, so the moon can complete one circle around the sun, around the moon within 27 days. I repeat, moon takes 27 days to complete one circle around Earth. Almost a month, but 27 days precisely. Yes, after 15 days. Okay, so I repeat, moon takes 27 days to complete one circle around Earth, and it follows this path. The whole path of moon, I repeat, the whole path of moon is divided into 27 parts because it takes 27 days to complete. So today you will see moon over here, next day over here, next day over here. Similarly, it will shift slightly. So if we divide path of moon into 27 equal parts, then each part is known as nakshatra. Okay, so 27 nakshatras are there in our like astronomy system, like Indian astronomy system, right? And we follow all the festivals according to moon path and nakshatra system. I'll give an example. Do you know Amavasya, new moon? So Lakshmi Pujan is on new moon. Next day is Bali Pratipada. So Pratipada is like first day after Amavasya. So like first day after Amavasya. So if you see the Bhai Dooj, do you know Bhai Dooj? So that Dooj is nothing but Dvitiya. So the next to next day after Amavasya. So our all festivals are aligned according to moon signs or the nakshatra. The only one festival which is not based on moon, this nakshatra system, which is nothing but Makar Sankranti. Right? Kite function, Makar Sankranti. So what is Makar Sankranti? So I'll just show 2-3 things. Can you see these two stars over here? Okay. Now if you extend this line, one line from this star to this star, you can see few stars, 2 stars over here, 1 star over here, very faint. If you want to focus to the star, to a particular star, you have to see here and there, right? So see here, you will be able to see one spot over here. So these 2 stars along with this line and this line, this whole thing is known as Gemini constellation. So a day, I repeat, Gemini constellation, Gemini. Gemini is little bit different. Gemini is the name for meteor shower. Gemini, yes. Okay, so this is part of, not part, this whole thing is Gemini constellation. So similarly, 12 hello learners. So similarly, 12 constellations you can locate in the night sky. And the last thing I'll say, so this star is known as Castor. This is Pollux. Can you see this star? Okay, it is called Procyon. Can you see this star? Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which shape is this? If I exactly, so this is parallelogram. Now we'll go back to the path of satellite. Learners, will go back to the path of planets. So this was the path of planet which was passing through this parallelogram. So if you observe carefully for whole year, each and every planet, moon and sun passing through this patch. So this parallelogram was known as gateway of heaven. So last time also you were there, I guess. Okay, so this was gateway of heaven. Can you see the star? What is difference between this star and other stars? This is the brightest star in the night sky. Repeat, this is brightest star in the night sky. Can anyone tell me the name? No, not at all. This is called Sirius. Sirius. Okay, Sirius. The name is Sirius. Okay, what is difference between this star and this star? What is color of this star and this star? What? So it is orangish or reddish, right? Okay, and the temperature of okay, so and color of this star is white. So remember, if you see the reddish star, I repeat, if you see the reddish star, reddish or orangish star, it means the temperature is around 3000 to 4000 degree Celsius. If you see the sun, the color of sun is yellow, correct, because temperature is around 5500 degrees Celsius. If you see this star, temperature is even more than 12,000 degrees Celsius, so it looks white. Okay, so just by seeing the color of star, you can estimate the temperature. Is that clear? Yeah, North Star is here, but since lights are so bright, you cannot locate it. So Northern Star is here. So last time we have shown that. Ah ha ha ha. Yellowish. No, the color is yellow because temperature is 5500 degrees Celsius. Just a minute. Ma'am, what is time? Chitra ma'am. Stop. Stop. Okay, so for today, we'll stop here. There are a lot more things. So we'll see one more time. Is that okay? Yeah. With telescope. With telescope. Chandu sir. Yeah. So I think you got sufficient information for today. Is that okay? Later.
So in that, can we like the sun will it appear whitish? Sir.
Learners, sir is in school only, okay? So if you have any question, you can ask, you can meet sir anytime, okay? Yes, so we'll have a photograph. How was the session? Very nice. mic only, they will listen. Chalo. Everybody is waiting. Learners' telescope will be in the center, and then half of the learners can go that side and the other half can be here. Can you see the telescope? No? Can you see the telescope? Telescope also should be visible. If you cover the telescope, how will it come? आज सब कुछ telescope से ही देखा ना? You saw everything through telescope. So telescope should come in the picture. Go behind the telescope. Go behind the telescope. Fast. Parents are waiting. Acha. Yeah, semicircle. Okay. Some of you please sit down. Some of you please sit down so that others are visible. Yeah. Sit. Come. Come in the front. Come. But telescope should be visible. Telescope helped us, today a lot. Watching Jupiter, Mars, Nebula, Venus. Yes. More people can sit down. Sit. No, but you have to sit. There is no other choice. Sit down. Otherwise, everybody will not come. Sit. I can see. You come. Come in the front. Come. I'm not able to see you. Come. Telescope helped us. Next time, telescope will not be there because you people are hiding him. Okay. Yeah, I can see there are 2-3 learners there also. Come. See, you won't be visible. Come. All two. Now. Stand properly. Yes, I'm talking to you. You need. Okay, so are we ready? Are we ready? Sit down. Everybody will be visible. Sit. I cannot see him behind you. हाँ. सभी आ रहे हैं? Wait, these 2 learners also, you come ahead. All 3. Abhishek sir. 3 of them. Come. Come here. Sit down. Sit. Behind you. Come fast. Telescope should be visible. Telescope is not visible. Can we move this side? Can we move that side? Move, learner, fast. Go that side. Don't make a group, okay? Are we ready? All are visible? Stop talking. Smile. Done? Chandrasekhar sir, is it done? Okay, wait learners, wait. You will go by lift, okay? So you have to wait. Teachers,